Good morning, everyone. I'm Ahmad Muarif from Hasanuddin University. Today, I would like to present our research about determination of genetic mutation profile of Draper gene in Drosophila melanogaster using high-resolution melting analysis. We know that the process of drug discovery begins by identifying the target protein, looking for chemical compound, and optimizing these prospective compounds. Common approach that usually used was an in vitro study and then continue to an in vivo study using wild-type animal models such as rats, mice, and rabbits. One of an example of model organisms that have been shown to be useful in the drug discovery process is fruit fly Drosophila melanogaster. As model organism, fruit fly has advantages such as lower maintenance cost, a very fast life cycle, 65% homolog with human, the availability of diverse transgenic and mutant genotypes, and can be used in large quantity. To find out whether the animal models used are mutant types or not, then testing the real-time PCR and high-resolution melting method was performed. Real-time polymerase chain reaction coupled with high-resolution melting method is one of the solutions in the detection of transgenic or mutant genotypes that can be used to promote development in biomolecular science. The advantage of this method is that it is fast, cheap, and easy to do in various places. One of the mutants currently available is Draper Delta 5, which has a disruption in the Draper gene in Drosophila melanogaster, making the fruit flies are unable to produce fully functional Draper protein that plays a role in the process of phagocytosis in apoptotic cells and virus-infected cells. To determine the mutation in experimental animals, we use sequencing method, which can provide gene analysis at the nucleotide level. But the use of this method takes a long time and use a lot of cost. Therefore, we need a reliable and economical method to overcome these problems. Based on this problem, our study was conducted with the aim of evaluating the real-time PCR high-resolution melting technique to determine the presence of the gene mutation of Draper delta 5 in of Draper Drosophila melanogaster. The line of Drosophila used in our study is W1118 and Draper delta 5. Male flies at the age of 4 until 7 days were bred and placed in culture vial containing standard food. Based on the slide, there are 3 stages carried out in the study. The first is RNA isolation process using the Wizard genomic DNA purification kits. The final result of this process then convert to cDNA using the GOTAC high-resolution melting master mix kits. High-resolution melting analysis was conducted after amplification by polymerase chain reaction into the rotor gene Q-thermal cycler software series. To confirm the specificity of Draper forward and Draper reverse primers, we use basic local alignment search tool BLAST analysis. This database search tool simply reflects the similarity between the sequence of our 2 Draper primers and the Draper sequence stored in BLAST database. As we can see in the slide, both of the Draper primers used were identical and alignment to the desired Draper target gene in Drosophila melanogaster, with the similarity of sequence were 96% and 100% for Draper forward primer and Draper reverse. These results suggest that our Draper primer set can specifically bind to the Draper gene in Drosophila melanogaster that produce a specific amplified Draper amplicon with expected size. The high-resolution melting method is used to detect difference in genotypes such as the length of the GC sequence in the nucleotide base of each DNA samples. The high content of GC bonds will also require high temperature to separate the bonds and will change the melting curve. From the melting curve that we can see in slides, the temperature range from 80 Celsius to 90 Celsius was selected as the melting point location for defining the difference in the nucleotide base sequence. High-resolution melting location selection was attempt at the melting temperature, which is most likely to have the highest GC bonds. The results of high-resolution melting analysis showed curve difference between wild-type W1118 Drosophila melanogaster and its Draper delta 5 mutants. As we shown in slide, its increase in temperature of 0.1 Celsius per minute was constantly causing a decrease toward both of the curve. The reduction of occur as a result of the turning of the double-stranded DNA strand into single-stranded DNA due to the heating process. The difference curve reduction between W1118 and Draper delta 5 Drosophila melanogaster was a proof that the nitrogen-based arrangement amid their gene sequence are also different. For sure, this indicates that a true mutation has occurred in Draper delta 5 line of Drosophila melanogaster. To support our assumption on the high resolution melting results, we carry out additional steps to assign the examined sample based on the confidence percentage level. As we can see in the picture, the interval more than 90% were reached by each high-resolution melting analysis results, which they signified that high-resolution melting method could really distinguish between wild-type W1118 flies and its Draper delta 5 mutants. Based on the result of this study, it can be concluded that our real-time PCR high-resolution melting protocol can be used in the genotyping effort to discriminate the Draper mutants from their wild-type control genotypes in a fast, specific, and robust manner. Thank you. Small fly, big impact.